Okay, so good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fantastic. Thanks for asking. So, well, as we are meeting for the first time, so I'm so excited to know something about yourself. So, please introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay, thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, I live in Mymensingh. Mymensingh is my home district. I am a student. Besides my study, I'm doing a job at a school. Uh, I study at university, Department of Political Science. Yeah, that's all about me. So, what about you?
Okay, so, well, this is me, Rupam, and I'm connecting to you from Bihar. And right now, I'm a student of the class ninth, and in my future, I want to be a doctor in my life. And I want to know, like you have mentioned, you work in the school. So what do you do in the school? Are you teacher?
Yeah, I'm teacher. I have been joining school for 20 days. It has been 20 days.
Okay, Miss. Recently you have joined the school, right?
Yes, 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 you are right. So,
All right. All right. So which subject do you teach?
sorry, can you repeat?
Which subject do you teach?
I teach English subject.
Yeah. Go ahead. You
Some,
was asking something.
sometimes also math. So,
Yeah.
sir, I want to know from you, have you done your graduation?
Could you repeat again?
Have you finished your study?
No, I haven't. Like before this, I was doing a study, but I haven't talked with anyone. I didn't take any session because my exam is around the corner. So, like today, I didn't go to school due to the Ganga Snan. Do you celebrate it? Okay. So
Don't.
that is why. So at the morning, like I did worship and all. Then after that, I did study, and then at evening, I went for walking and like I was relaxing myself. Then I cooked dinner, and right now I was doing a study. So I was thinking, then let me have one session. Then I will restart my study.
So, are you a student of college or university?
No, I'm a student of a school. Right now, I'm a student of the class
Third class?
ninth.
Or you are student of class 9th? Okay, okay, yeah, I understand. So, what's your subject? Are you a student of science or arts?
I will take science because I want to become a doctor.
Yeah, yeah, you mentioned before you wanna be a doctor in future. Yes. So, how did you learn English?
All right, nice question for me. So I have learned this language through one application, and the name of that application is Joseph Skill, and I have been using this application for you know like 8 months ago. It's been 8 months, and before this application means before using that application, I could not speak English, and I did some activity with myself. I used to talk at the front of mirror. I used to do a funny conversation with my brother and sister so that I could improve this language. And I used to read book, and it's right now I do. I read, do reading practice, and also listening practice, speaking practice. But nowadays I'm not focusing on the writing practice due to lack of time.
Okay, okay, I understand. So, you have been using this application since 8 months. So, when did
No,
you start
I
your
have been
spoken?
like I have been not using this application for 8 months. I have been using one application. The name of that application is Jaws Skill. I have been using this application. It's been only 3 to 2 months, I think so.
Okay, okay. So, when did you start your spoken English journey? When did you
I have
start?
been I have been learning this language for 8 months ago.
Oh my God, 8 months. And I have been learning English 1 month ago.
Okay, but you are speaking commendable. I can see, like you have improved a lot in 1 month. I think maybe because of your teaching. teaching has affected on you because like you have to teach like maybe you take 6 to 7 bill of English, so you will have to speak in English, and maybe like if you read English, so automatically it will come because you are reading it by understanding it. So if you understand something, that will automatically come.
Yeah, you are right. You exactly. So actually, I teach class 6 to class 10,
Okay,
and
nice.
yeah, teaching is very help me for improving my speaking English. And after practicing 1 month, now I can speak a little bit of English.
Not
And I
little bit too much. And do you talk with your student in English?
actually my student doesn't know English, and I try to speak them, and I have a plan. I will teach them English, spoken English. It's my plan.
Okay. That is why maybe you have started your journey, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What
Actually,
is
no,
the what is
my
the purpose for learning English for you?
okay. My future plan is in future I wanna be a freelancer, and English is very important in freelancing sector. So that's why I'm learning English. So this is the reason.
Okay, so why have you joined the teaching between your dream? Why? Why did you join this? How this thought came that I should teach students?
Actually, I didn't finish my study. I'm student of honors first year, and already I have passed 1 year, and I have 3 years in front of me. So when I be fluent in English, then I will start doing a course in freelancing. And actually, I teaching. It's my part-time job.
Okay. I think like I was thinking that you like teaching, that is why you are teaching. Because so many people they like to being with the children and they like to share their knowledge with the children. I have seen so many video of the ma'am, so like they were saying that is why they do this job.
Okay, okay. Tell me one thing. Uh, I have been talking many people on this platform, and they are from maximum from India, Bihar, West Bengal, Dinajpur, and I didn't find any person from other country. You are also
But
from India.
I have found one person, he was from Nepal.
Okay, so do you have any friend from Bangladesh without me?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so how do you practice your speaking English? Uh,
I use application, means I take everyday one session on this application for my speaking practice, and I use one application. Sometimes 30 minutes. Nowadays, I'm not using it because of lack of time. Because nowadays I'm going to bed too late, and because my exam is around the corner, so I have to focus on it as well. So that is why it is quite difficult. But I will restart. I use that application 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, so that I can improve myself because I am from Hindi medium school and all books are available in Hindi apart from English, and teacher do not speak with us in English. So in such condition, if I not speak in English, so I can lost my fluency. And a student means like when do teacher come, then at that time they use Hindi language. Otherwise, they use our native language, that is Bhojpuri.
yeah, yeah, you're right. So can I know how many languages do you know?
Mm-hmm.
How many languages do you know?
Okay, I know three languages: English, Hindi, and my native language, that is Bhojpuri.
That is Bhojpuri.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That means don't you know Bangla language?
No, and like when I was small, when I was in 5th class, so one Bengali people he came and he was speaking in Bengali. So like we were so small, so we were looking him, and like he had a lot of things, and he was giving to the small kid as well. He had so many chocolates, biscuits. And I don't know, like, how did he come? So one person he worked there, means maybe he worked there, so he knew Bengali language. So he talked with him, and like they were doing conversation with each other, but we were listening, but we couldn't understand anything.
So, do you understand Bangla? Do you understand Bangla? Bangla language?
No, I don't know how to speak Bengali. I
But
can't understand.
I understand Hindi very well, but I can't speak.
So it was very nice conversation with you. Now I'm going to do study. Have a nice day.
Okay, okay. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Be healthy.